Hi, Michael Baldwin here. I'm in my brand new listing in Villas del Mar in Palmilla, San Jose del Cabo. And this is Casita 41. It's 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 1.5 car garage, 2,400 square feet of interior living space. And I usually talk about the house, and this house is truly amazing. It's been completely updated and remodeled in the last year. But the real feature of this house is the view. One of the most expensive homes in the neighborhood is just above this house. So you have a $15 million view for only $4,990,000. So let me show you around. Like I said, the house has been completely remodeled, all new doors and windows, brand new floors, interior finishes, all new furniture. They even went so far as to update the kitchen. You see it has all new countertops, backsplash, appliances. So although the house is a resale, it's like buying a brand new home. You have all these updated features in a location that you couldn't get today. So come with me, let's check out the master bathroom, which is one of my favorites. And when they did the remodel, they painted everything on the interior and exterior. One of my favorite parts about this house is there used to be a tub in this location. They took the tub out and made an expansive 2-person shower. It's extraordinary. And when they moved the shower and the tub, they added an extra walk-in closet. So this house features a great master suite, great master bath, and closets that are to die for.